Grand rising, grand rising. This is a touch of Shemayim, touch of heaven, remade for yahuah. All I want is to live within your love, be undone by who you are. My desire is to know Yah deeper, Yahuah. I will open up again, throw my fears into the wind. I am desperate for a touch of heaven. Oh, oh, you're the fire in the rise, the cool within the day. You're the breath within my soul. Oh, oh, you're the life within my bones. Your compassion never fails. Yahuah, I know my heart wants something new, so I surrender all to you. And all I want is to live within your love, be undone by who you are. My desire is to know Yah deeper, Yahuah. I will open up again, throw my fears into the wind. I am desperate for a touch of heaven, Yahuah. I am desperate for a touch of heaven. Hallelujah.